Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn a meditation. What is the meaning of meditation? Types of meditation, how to meditate, and what is the benefits of meditation for students? Meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique such as mindfulness or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. Types of meditation. Vipassana. There are three types of meditation: Vipassana, Chakra, and Yoga are three different forms of meditation. Now we are going to learn how to meditate. Do you want to increase your concentration, study more effectively, and for longer duration? Well, meditation could be the solution for you. I believe every student must meditate because studying is the mental activity. So, you need to give a break or rest your mind at regular interval. Nowadays, some students get into interval lot of tea and coffee, etc. All these habits are not proper solution or not a permanent solution and also have side effects. On the other hand, meditation can help you better and with no side effects, and it's 100% free. You can do it anywhere you want. Step 1: sit in a comfortable position. You can even do it on chair or lying down, but the best way for beginning is to sit straight on the ground or floor. Be as relaxed as you can. Do not sit in any specific position or do not keep your hands in any uncomfortable position. Just open your hands and keep them on your thighs. Step 2: close your eyes. Step 3: take your attention to your heart. Step 4: concentrate on your breath. Now, when you breathe, you will notice there are three parts of it. First, you breathe in, then there is a gap, and then you breathe out. Again, there is a gap, and you breathe in, and again, there is a gap. You breathe out, there is a gap, you breathe in, and so what? So just concentrate on this breathing process, and now when you breathe in, fill your chest with air, not your stomach. In fact, your stomach will move inwards this way. Step 5: while keeping your attention on your heart, take deep breath. You don't have to take a deepest breath, you can. Just take a deep breath. After breathing in, hold your breath for few seconds. Again, the duration does not matter. Just hold for few seconds and release. When you release the breath, make sure is more than slow. The breathing in process and the breathing out process should be almost same duration. That's it. This is the simple technique, but how you do it, how often you do it matters more. It's like you lift weights only once, nothing will happen. But if you will do it continuously, regularly with proper routine, you will see the result. Most of the time, people try to meditate for just 1 minute or some time and they see no results and they give up. So, now I will tell you three most important points of this technique. First, positive energy. When you breathe in, feel as you are inhaling positive energy, and when you breathe out, feel a stress, a negativity is going out. Stress is the stress is in the mind, and when mind is silent there is no space for stress. So this is the practical experience, you will feel it, but you have to try before judging. It's not magic or hypnosis, just a simple exercise. Step 2, duration. The duration of this technique should be counted not in terms of time but in terms of number of breath you take. So, one cycle of breath is when you inhale, stop, and exhale. That's one. Initially, one should try to do this for 20 cycles. Minimum 7 is fine and maximum depends on you. Another most important part, when I say 7 breath cycles, I mean 7 breath cycles without any thoughts. That brings us to the third and final most important point, just like breathe in. Thinking is a continuous process, just like breathe in. There is a gap between two thoughts. We unconsciously breathe and take with this technique where we become conscious about both. So your eyes are closed, your attention is in your heart, and you are watching yourself breathe. Your breathing cycle will continue, but gap between your thoughts will increase. You will observe that just by watching yourself and counting your breath cycles, the thought will stop. Remember, you don't have to stop your thoughts. You are not trying to control your thoughts, you are just observe it. In fact, you must wait for the next thought. This is very powerful. Why you are waiting for the next thought? You are thoughtless. And that state is what you have to continue. If you can reach 7 breath cycle in your first attempt without any thoughts, then you are better than 90% of other first timings. You cannot see a thought coming in your mind. You will either be thoughtless or in a thought. So whenever you find yourself thinking, just get out of that thought. Start the breath cycles again and continue from 1, and again wait for the next thought and keep counting. If you reach to 20, that's good for beginning. You can get back to your work or study. You will feel more relaxed and be fresh. I hope this will help you in your overall success. Benefits of meditation for the school students are greater sense of self-awareness. Meditation allows us to mentally take inventory of our bodies, reduced stress and anxiety, increase mental clarity and focus, emotional intelligence, trigger the brain's relaxation response, improves focus and academic performance, Patience and calm personality reduced stress and anxiety, creativity and innovation. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.